Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wished you could take your Canva design into Photoshop, fully editable with layers and effects, today's video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your Canva project as a PSD file, so you can open it right up in Photoshop or anything else that works with PSD files. You'll also see how to keep as many of those layers and effects as possible, no more flattened, uneditable images. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through it step by step. So first thing, head over to Canva. If you haven't already logged in, just do that now. Once you're in, pick out a template you like. Maybe it's a social media post, a flyer, or even something for your YouTube channel. Don't stress too much about which one. The main thing is you can fully customize it. Go ahead and make it your own. Change the text, tweak the colors, swap in your photos, whatever fits your project. This is your chance to set it up exactly how you want the final PSD file to look. Think of this stage as laying the foundation for your design. Every detail you adjust here will carry through. Take your time editing. Maybe you want to add a splash of color behind your text, adjust the font just right, or include a logo. The nice thing about starting in Canva is how quick and user-friendly these edits are. Plus, Canva's templates give you a big head start on layout and inspiration if you're feeling stuck. If you want to save yourself some time later, pay attention to how you order your elements in Canva, because a smart organization here can make life easier during the Photoshop stage. Once you're happy with your edited design, it's time to export. Hit the share button. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of Canva. From there, choose Download. This is where it's important to select PDF Standard as your file type. You might be tempted to grab a PNG or JPG, but PDF Standard keeps a lot more of the layer information and effects from Canva, which is important for editing in Photoshop. So select PDF Standard and hit Download. Depending on how big your design is, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if there's a brief wait. Now let's get your design ready for Photoshop as a PSD. Open up Photopea in your browser. If you haven't used it before, Photopea is an amazing free browser-based image editor, basically Photoshop in your web browser. You don't need to install anything, just go to the site. When you're there, upload the PDF you just downloaded from Canva. Just drag and drop the file right onto Photopea's workspace or use Open from Computer. In a few moments, your Canva design will appear on your screen. Here where the magic happens. Most of your design elements will now be split into layers or objects, just like in Photoshop. If you had text, images, or shapes, you'll find them here, ready to move around, edit, or tweak further. To finish, click File in Photopea, then Save as PSD. Pick your file name and location, and you're done. You've just created a real layered from your original Canva design, complete with as many layers and effects preserved as possible. This file is now ready to be opened or edited in Photoshop or any compatible software. And that's the whole process. So to quickly recap, we designed in Canva, downloaded as PDF Standard, converted in Photopea, and saved as a PSD, ready for even more advanced editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like below to let me know. Leave a comment with any questions or tips you've discovered. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.